Business policies. Why do we need them in our businesses? Well, first of all, it makes your life easier because that is something you can communicate very clearly to your clients when you meet them for the first time, maybe talking to them on the phone and also on your website, so that people know exactly what to expect. It's also part of you having very clear communication with your clients so that they know exactly where they stand and what the rules are for dealing with your business. The important thing with your policies are that you can stick to them, because if you can't enforce them, then they're kind of useless and then everybody gets confused. So if you do have a 24-hour cancellation policy, under no circumstances will you just say to somebody, oh, well, don't worry about it this time round, because that's unfair to all the other people that you have charged. So they also talk amongst each other and go, oh, well, she's never charged me for, cancelling late. So you're showing favoritism and people don't like that. You will lose people out of your business if you can't stick to your policies. If you're so uncomfortable with that, then just don't do it. Don't have the policies, but know then that you are the one that's going to be hit in the pocket. You're going to end up paying for people to do Pilates with you instead of the other way around. So with your policies, make sure that you can stick to them. Make sure that you have got yourself in the right headspace to be able to communicate what it is that you believe is important for you to be able to run your business. And I understand it's hard because on the one hand, we're there to serve our clients, to look after them and to help them feel better in their bodies and how they move. And then on the other hand, you also have to wear this business hat, which means that you have to be the enforcer of the rules. And it's not always comfortable. But if you're very clear about that from the get-go, hopefully that'll make life easier for you.